Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Desktop for Beginner's Easy Guide. Open a new company file, set your business type, and enter basic company details to get started. Connect your bank accounts, customize the chart of accounts, set up customers and vendors, and create your first invoice to confirm settings. We will also cover basic reports, reconciliation, and backing up files so you feel confident managing daily finances. Start by linking your bank and credit card accounts to download transactions automatically and reduce manual entry. Review imported items, match them to existing invoices or bills, and categorize unmatched transactions to the proper accounts. Create and send invoices, record payments, and log vendor bills so cash flow stays clear. Finally, reconcile accounts monthly, run basic profit and loss reports, and back up your company file to prevent data loss. Quick recommendation and a small favor. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. On another note, I found some great leak-proof containers that make meal prep easier and save time when you work long hours. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them if interested. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Learn how to create and customize invoices, apply sales tax, and automate recurring billing to save time. Enter employee and contractor details, choose pay schedules, and confirm tax withholdings before running payroll. Process payroll, track liabilities, and generate payroll reports to stay compliant with tax obligations like Form 1099 for contractors. Use payroll reminders and timely payments to avoid penalties and keep your team paid on schedule.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.